Hi, Sideshow here from Sideshow Cycles. Kind of just a little easy way to check to see if your tires are worn out and ready for replacement. This is called the tread depth gauge. You can get this at any auto parts store anywhere. I think they're $2-3. What happens is if your tire gets below 1/32, it fails to dissipate water and gravel. And it's pretty easy. You just stick it in there, kind of push down, and then you can tell how many 30 seconds are. It's also in conjunction with the wear bar on the tire. The wear bar there is to tell you right away without a tool that your tire is gone. But you don't want to wait until you hit that because you're already past the point where the tire is safe. You don't want to get to this point where there's no traction because that can cause serious injury or death. So right here you can see this tire is flat. It's also got some carcass separation, so the tread is separating, which is improper air pressure, which is very important also. So guys, every time you go out on your bikes, man, check your air pressure, check your tires, also check them for any chunks missing or anything like that. Very important not to have a tire with a situation like this where you're losing part of the tread. That's very dangerous. Good luck, guys, and be safe. Thanks for watching Sideshow Cycles.